No sound, but picture works on Vizio Smart TV. Imagine settling in for your favorite show, only to find your Vizio TV is completely silent. It is incredibly frustrating to see a perfect picture but hear absolutely nothing. But do not worry. You can fix this issue yourself at home right now after watching this video. We have verified these steps to get your sound back. Please comment below if you face any difficulty. I will reply to you within 1 hour. Also, remember to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more quick fixes. Let us start with the most common and effective solutions. Follow these steps exactly. Step 1. Unplug your TV from the wall outlet. Wait for at least 60 seconds. While it is unplugged, press and hold the power button on the TV itself for 30 seconds. This clears temporary glitches. Step 2. Check your internal speakers. Use your remote and go to Settings, then go to Audio, then select TV speakers. Make sure this is set to on. Sometimes it gets turned off by mistake. Step 3. Adjust your digital audio out. Go to Settings, then go to Audio, then select Digital Audio Out. Change this setting to PCM. This is a common fix for sound processing errors. Step 4. Turn off audio enhancements. Go to Settings, then go to Audio. Set Volume Leveling and DTS True Surround to off. These features can sometimes conflict with your hardware. Step 5. Inspect your connections. If you use a soundbar, ensure your HDMI or optical cables are tight. Try a different HDMI port to rule out a faulty connection. Step 6. Update your firmware. Go to Settings, then go to System, then select Check for Updates. Outdated software can cause many audio bugs. Let the TV finish the update if one is available. Step 7. The final fix is a factory reset. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Reset and Admin, then select Reset to Factory Settings. This will erase your data but often fixes deep software issues. Your Vizio TV should now have perfect sound again. Enjoy your favorite content. If this helped, please subscribe. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes.